Tired of spam or random requests? Take control of your private group with simple steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to cancel join request on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device and select the group you are managing. Once inside the group, tap on the group name at the top to access your group information. Then tap on the pen icon in the top right corner to open the More option. In the group settings, scroll to find Pending Join Request. Tap this option and you will see the people who are waiting to join your group. And tap Cancel to decline their request. If you don't see this option, it means there are no pending requests at the moment. Once you reject a request, that person will no longer be able to join unless you approve them again in the future. Your group is now cleaner, safer, and under control. So this is how to cancel join request on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.